interesting, nice squishies or real food? We have invited food critics in order to arrange a taste test and decide what's better. Watch Squishy versus Food Challenge in our new video. Strict critics Mademoiselle Ratatouille and Donna Zucchini are professionals and will always show the true colors of any public dining service. And now at Miss Gonzalez's Diner, they thoroughly count the number of prongs on a fork and the number of facets on a glass. They do not like the dishes on the menu, so they want something special from the chef. First, they will taste some Coca-Cola. Mademoiselle Ratatouille attentively watches the level of foam. She always takes her tasting tape measure along. The critics are ready for the first dish, but it is late for some reason. At last, M&Ms are served as a starter. Let's see what's so special about this appetizer. Donna Zucchini gets a big, soft squishy. Cut a big oval out of memory foam. Cut off the excess so that its shape is more streamlined and it looks like an egg. Cover it with acrylic paint and make a cut. Shape light clay of different colors into M&M candies. Put them inside the big foam egg. Attach a foam rubber sheet logo on top. Stuffing a big M&M squishy with little squishies is an excellent idea. She loves it, but Mademoiselle Ratatouille is not happy with her dish. She actually got M&M's candies. This is so cliché. So the winner of the first round is the soft squishy for being big and creative. The score is 1-0. Miss Gonzalez brings the second dish. Dear critics, please enjoy. But now Mademoiselle Ratatouille asks to change the plates beforehand. As you wish. The critics take off the caps, and there are avocados waiting for them. Oops! Mademoiselle Ratatouille got some kind of sponge. Draw a silhouette of a half of an avocado on memory foam. Cut it out, shaping it the way we need. Color it with acrylic paints. Paint a beauty blender sponge so that it is of the same color as an avocado seed. Donna Zucchini enjoys her fresh avocado, but Mademoiselle Ratatouille doesn't understand what's so special about her squishy. It doesn't even have any vitamins or healthy minerals. It's just foam. While Donna Zucchini is eating her healthy fruit, her colleague is writing down a few remarks about the kitchen. Serving a squishy avocado to clients is way too much. Real food gets 1 point. The score is 1-1. The next thing on the menu is entertainment. Time for a movie. Miss Gonzalez brings the perfect food for it. It's popcorn. Cut a yellow sponge in half. We will make sides of a popcorn cup from it. Cut off the corners and hot glue a cup. Coat it with white acrylic paint. Attach parallel strips of painter's tape and paint it red. Take the tape off when the paint is dry. Put the memory foam inside. Cut out the bottom of the cup from a foam rubber sheet. Make popcorn from memory foam. Hot glue popcorn to the cup into a pile shape and cover it with acrylic paint. Add some details with a thin brush. Attach a label. Miss Gonzalez is so excited by the movie that she starts eating Mademoiselle Ratatouille's popcorn. You bet! After all, it's her favorite action movie about the cooking superhero, Lady Chef. The story is so gripping, but Mademoiselle Ratatouille hates when someone takes her food, so Miss Gonzalez obediently leaves her seat in the theater. Meanwhile, Donna Zucchini's squishy popcorn helps her relax at the movie's tensest moments. This is why it gets a point in this round. Squishy food 2, real food 1. It's high time for us to taste an actual dish. Miss Gonzalez brings a surprise. This is a hot dog. Donna Zucchini gets an actual tasty hot dog, and Mademoiselle Ratatouille gets a bright and squishy one. Cut a hot dog bun from memory foam. Cover it with acrylic paint. Roll light clay to make a hot dog sausage. Fold a foam rubber sheet in half and cut out lettuce. Crumple it so that it's more realistic. Hot glue the lettuce into the hot dog bun. Coat the sausage with acrylic paint and hot glue it into the bun. Attach a mustard zigzag made from light clay on top. Miss Gonzalez begs for a fair evaluation of her squishy hot dog. Let it be! Apparently, the softness of the hot dog influenced Mademoiselle Ratatouille. She rates the squishy hot dog very highly. Miss Gonzalez is on top of the world. She is so thankful to Mademoiselle Ratatouille. Well, this is way too much. This chef apparently hasn't heard of personal space boundaries. Mademoiselle is offended. She takes her point in this round back and leaves the restaurant. The score is still 2-1. Miss Gonzalez brings the blue-eyed girl to take part in the challenge, especially when the next dish is her favorite French fries. Cut memory foam into strips. They will be French fries. Cover them with yellow spray paint and make them look fried with a brush and brown paint. Trace a French fry box layout on a red foam rubber sheet. Cut it out. Score the lines for bending with a toothpick. Cut the signature letter M out of a yellow foam rubber sheet. Attach it to the box. Assemble and hot glue the box. Fill it with squishy French fries. The blue-eyed girl doesn't know what a restaurant critic is supposed to do. Why would someone measure the longest piece of potato and calculate the perimeter of the box? And while Donna Zucchini brings her new partner up to speed, the blue-eyed girl manages to finish the entire dish. There is only one thing left to do then: relieve stress with soft and squishy French fries. The blue-eyed girl prefers real food, but Donna Zucchini gives her point to the squishy. The score is 3-1. Desserts are next up on the menu. Miss Gonzalez cooked donuts. The blue-eyed girl gets a real one, and Donna Zucchini gets a squishy donut. Cut a donut out of memory foam. Color it with acrylic paint. Trace the donut on a foam rubber sheet and add some glaze streaks. Cut the glaze out and attach it to the donut. Make sprinkles with drops of hot glue. Color them with acrylic paints. Donna Zucchini gladly squeezes her donut. It's so satisfying! The blue-eyed girl wants to squeeze her donut too, but all the filling comes out. She got her fingers dirty instead of relieving stress. 1 point goes to the squishy in this round. The score is now 4-1. Miss Gonzalez is a real cooking magician. She serves Oreo cookies as if by magic. Someone gets a real cookie, and someone gets a soft one. Cover round makeup sponges with acrylic paint so that they are of the same color as Oreo cookies. Cut white sponges along the edges and put them between 2 cookie sponges as filling. Shape light clay into a circle. Use a modeling tool to make a mirror pattern of an Oreo cookie. Apply acrylic paint and make imprints on sponges. Take a blue foam rubber sheet and fasten a package for the cookies. Hot glue a piece of Velcro to one side. Print out an Oreo logo and attach it. The blue-eyed girl gets a squishy in this round. Donna Zucchini got so used to squishies that real food seems to be way too boring for her. No big deal. The blue-eyed girl has a few soft cookies in her package. Squishy gets 1 point. The score is 5-1. Where's our long-awaited dish after all this time? Miss Gonzalez is ready to make her guests happy. A bar of Ritter Sport chocolate takes part in this round. Cut a square out of a sponge. Cut a makeup sponge into cubes. Hot glue them on the sponge row after row so that it looks like a bar of Ritter Sport. Cover it with brown acrylic spray paint and cover it with the signature wrapper. Miss Gonzalez wants to have a piece of chocolate, but the blue-eyed girl squishy is not very useful. Then, she asks Donna Zucchini for a piece of actual chocolate. Now the blue-eyed girl is interested. She also wants to taste some actual chocolate. I guess the squishy Ritter Sport is nice, but actual chocolate wins this round. At any rate, Squishy wins this challenge with the final score 5-2. Did you like our squishy menu? Then write in the comments which dish you liked the most. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new challenges on Troom Troom.